May Imus area po ba? Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido, and I give tips and project recommendation for all the properties na ino-offer namin dito sa Cavite area and also Parañaque, Las Piñas, and across Metro Manila. At kung ang hanap mo nga ay Imus area for the house and lot property na gusto mong i-purchase either bank or pag-ibig financing, then continue watching. For Imus area, dalawang property nga ang marerecommend ko sa inyo na talaga namang mabenta at maganda ang property and location-wise panalong-panalo ka. First on our list is our 3-lane residences. Imaginein mo na lang ha, 5,000 pesos lang ang reservation. May 3-story townhouse ka na ang location ay Imus, Cavite at napakalapit lang nito sa Cavitex exit. So very accessible ka lang going to PITX and also NAIA or even Metro Manila. And imaginein mo, pre-selling kasi to kaya napaka-affordable at available sa pag-ibig financing. Kaya naman ang down payment mo lang ay